Hello, Parnassians. It's me, Magister Beck, and it's Wednesday, so you know what that means. It's another episode of Minute to Win It. So this edition, I think this is week 17. So for this edition, we are going to do. You're gonna need some kind of a ball. Like I have a basketball, and I'm outside right now making these videos. Basketball is probably not going to be the best bet. And if you're stuck inside and you don't have an opportunity to get outside because it's too cold or snowy and icy, inside would probably be best to use like a tennis ball, a super bouncy ball, a ping pong ball. But for this example, I'm just going to show you since I'm outside with a basketball. Now what you want to do is you want to let it bounce once, catch it. So just one hand. So I'm going to let it bounce once, catch it. Now I want to let it bounce twice and catch it. And I can throw it. This doesn't bounce very good, so maybe I want to kind of slam it down so it can get more bounces. So now 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and catch it. So the object of this Minute to Win It this week is to see how high you can get without losing it, if that makes sense. So if I get to like, let's say 5, it bounces like 5 times, and then I catch it, or I miss it, then I have to start over at 1 again. So you want to see how many times you can do it, and you're using just one hand, so I'll just use my right hand for 1 minute, 60 seconds. And then maybe the next time I want to try maybe using my left hand to see if it's the same, as good a coordination as my right hand. So again, let it bounce once, catch it, bounce twice, catch it, and then if I screw it up on the 3rd time, then I got to start back over at 1. See how high you can get it in 1 minute, guys. And like I said, especially me right now, this ball is cold. It's cold outside. There's ice on the ground, and it's probably not going to get any more than 5 or 6 bounces, and then I'd have to start over. And that'll probably happen within the first 20 seconds. So, like I said, grab a tennis ball, a super bouncy ball, a ping pong ball. You can do it on the hardwood floor, the concrete in the basement. Excuse me, maybe even the kitchen counter, because of ping pong ball or bouncy ball, you just let it bounce once, catch it, let it bounce twice, catch it. Object is to see how many times you can get it, guys, without losing it. See if you can get 10, maybe 15, and report your scores to Magister Cole or myself. Hope you guys enjoy this one, and until next week, guys, have a fantastic day.